I'm not sure if you know Perplexity already, but I just love it. So Perplexity is simply awesome in terms of delivering you some recent news, recent events, wrapping up some parts of the internet. So you can easily query Perplexity to find you like maybe the latest news about the resignation of Stability AI. And you can see there is a lot of different results taken into consideration, and the answer is based on those results. This worked fantastically. And what you can do is basically have this Perplexity engine inside of Alice. What you really have to do is just go to your avatar on Perplexity to the left-hand side, and here on the top right, you'll find the API tab. I won't go there because the API key is visible there, but if you go to the API tab, you just top up your account, your API account, with just few dollars, like $5 or something like that, and then you generate an API key. Once this is done, you'll be able to go to Alice, and in the settings, so I press Command K, I go to settings, and I make sure that I have this API key from Perplexity pasted in here. So I paste it here, I close this window, and I create a new chat, and then I can access the Perplexity models. So this model is simply awesome, the Sonr model. So let's select the Sonr, and now I can ask who won the Grammy. Let's wait for it. Okay, here we have it. And you can ask the Sonr model about the information. You'll see that it's working even faster than on Perplexity website. That's because it's via API and just the text is returned. But basically, this is really, really nice way of acquiring some new information, maybe searching the web even with Perplexity models. So I highly recommend you Sonr. You can think of creating one of the assistants that's based on this Sonr model. You can do it if you go to assistants and you edit your assistant. Here you have the model that will be used for the assistants, and you can create and you can just create one that is based on this Sonr model. And also you can create some more snippets so that you can get current information, such as you can add Wolfram that I'm showing you also in one of the inspirations that will enable the currency conversions and all the conversions that you have, the current numbers. And you can think of more snippets that will give you an actual information, even from browsing the internet, which is also possible with Alice. So I hope you like it, and I see you in the next one.